Good morning. Yeah, that's it. Hey Penny, you stay outside? Penny. Penny. What? Are you cold? Yes. Cold and wants to go inside. Hey Miss Penny. You cold? What? You don't cold, eh? Yeah? Alright. Good night. A little bit cold maybe. Yeah, so we got the little mini excavator going and did some work. Show you here what we did. That's pretty good. It's better, more versatile than the towable backhoe. More reach and stuff with the boom, with its stick and boom and stuff, right? So yeah, so I'm just scraping the top layer off there, and of course you can't go very wide, right? I gotta make so two strips. I'm almost halfway down there. Yeah, that's it. We got a dog friend to play with today out there, I think. Yes, we do. Yes. What a girl. Whew, the sun is shining in. First time we've seen sun in a couple of days here now. So, yeah, we'll see what that looks like, I guess. It's still cold out. As you can see, I'm dressed for it, preparing. See, we need keys to the quad. Yep. Okay, let's go. What are we faced with here this morning? Wow. You know what? As long as we get the sun shining, look at the water. Duh. You know, I can hear the ocean out through there, way out through. I'll try to zoom in here a little bit. You can hear the waves crashing on the shore, which is kind of cool. Okay, let's see how this baby starts cold now. Got to get the right method, I guess, for starting some of these small engines. So my experience that the chokes are not that great, so I might have to prime it or choke it hard to get it going, but we'll see. Choke on. So it's best to have at idle or low idle with the choke with a gas engine. Let's see. It sounds pretty good here this morning, warming up nice, so anyways, not too bad. So I'll leave it go until it goes spitting and sputtering. If it ever does that, then that's my indication that it's you know, it's rich and it needs to be leaned out a bit. So man, it's a beautiful day here. I can't get over it. Anyways, many more to come hopefully. The tide is fairly low and I'm not sure it's rising or falling. I think it's rising, but yeah, so Holly is going to get out on the go here. We're going to get this finished up today for sure. We don't have any breakdowns. got a nice fine load of dirt there, Holly. Can you dump it? Crank it up, and the cable is pretty much straight up and down. Dougie's out, now we have locks. Now we're going to try to blanket hit a little bit. Pitch here. All we need. Okay, so we're almost done. We just got a little, maybe 2 loads or something like that. Okay, so yeah, so pull up, go way down there and get nice and straight and pull up nice and close to me. It's easier for me to, and I'll tell you when to stop. Okay. Yeah. Penny, your friend was here looking for you, and you just stayed over there, and she shrugged it off again.
Because Penny got in trouble.
Oh, Penny was in trouble. Okay.
Yeah.
We want to talk about Penny's trouble?
Yeah, eating garbage.
Eating garbage? Oh. Uh-oh.
Send the garbage.
Bad girl. Bad girl. No, 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 no.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all.
Okay. That's 3 tries.
So, okay, but what am I doing wrong?
Well, I'm going to show you. So come on. Just get off.
Wait, let me talk it out. The first time, I turned my wheels that way.
Go back.
I'd say this is the 4th time I've tried to back up a trailer and it's not working very well.
It just comes with practice. And this is not the best trailer, because the best backing situation is a very short tow vehicle and a long trailer.
So you can see the trailer.
Well, no, it just reacts way better, right? And when you got a short trailer and a long vehicle, then it's a nightmare.
Well,
For instance, the bus backing up this, it'd be, well, it won't be impossible, but very, very hard, okay? Versus, you know, the bike towing a 20-foot trailer or a 30-foot trailer, very easy because it reacts slower, that's all. This is your load, you're supposed to do this. That was good. You didn't do it completely on your own, but I helped you a little bit. Okay, tailgate first, baby. That's a big load. That's probably one of the biggest loads. Just because I was just trying to finish it. Oh. Yeah, get right up above it there. Get on the back here, so you're right directly. There you go. There you go. No, tighten it, baby, on here.
Get the lock on.
Okay, no, flick. There you go. Yeah, that's it.
Can I pull the thing ahead?
No, go all the way out first. On the cable, straight up and down. You got it, baby. That's good. Okay, now go ahead a little bit. Let go, let go. There you go. That's fine. That's good. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, high five, baby. Good job. Okay, that's your first of many.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, come on. Come on.
Girl.
Well, this has turned out to be a beautiful day. Best day we've had here yet, eh? Since we've been back.
It was pretty nice when you were away.
Oh, okay.
I had 2 really nice days.
Yeah. All right. Well, this is the first day of niceness I've seen here,
We
so.
should walk to the beach while it's just for a few minutes.
Yeah, we'll do that later.
I think we should do it now.
Now?
No better time than the present.
We're getting lots of good work done now.
It's only gonna be for a few minutes.
Play. She wants to play before work.
No.
I don't know. That's not
It's a sprinkle.
a sprinkle.
Oh,
Ah. Okay, let's go. I need something to drink.